Right, and the invention of computers has come to steal the shine of typewriters, yes. Users of the age-old device are of the view that typewriter remains an integral part of modern secretarial training and work, as its use requires great expertise and being tactful. In the following report, Rosemary Anyigba revisits the typewriter business in the contemporary times.
Which are largely ignored in a fast-moving cyber world, serves as a tool in processing court documents. They often work on change of name, affidavit, change of ownership, amongst others. Even though computers have replaced typewriters in homes and offices, there are still some people who rely on it to produce the needed documents for their clients. I'm in town today to interact with such people.
The century-old typewriter is a companion of many, mostly old men. Tagged in a corner, they execute their work in excitement. The business provides incomes for many homes. I am welcomed into the tent of Gabriel Kwaku, a commissioner of oath, who offers first to teach me how to operate the typewriter.
Currently trying my hands on the typewriter to see how easy or how difficult is it. So as you can see, I'm struggling all right, but then I'm trying my best.
Gabriel says the use of typewriters demands more intelligence.
The challenges you get is whether you understand English, because people can make various kind of requests. You see, he wants a petition, for instance, to the presidency. You have to be good to be able to write a petition for someone to take to the presidency, you know, or to the Attorney General, or to even the Chief Justice, or the IGP, for instance, Inspector General of Police. Okay? Those are there. Like in my case, I have been visited once by a Kwadonko, the popular political aspirant, presidential aspirant. You know? Yeah, so that's it. And I did a petition for her for the Chief Justice. It's not everybody who is able to do that, you know, because representing people's views on paper is not easy. So you have to be well educated. Yeah.
Justin Kwaku, a commissioner of oath, who uses a computer and a typewriter to ply a trade, said, although there is limited number of people patronizing their services, there are still some documents which the court wants it done with typewriters.
Typewriter business now is no more like the way it was, because now the computer system has become very pressing than this typewriter typing. And again, to the court, let us know that we should not type every document with the typewriter. Sometimes because of the typing mistake, to avoid typing mistake, to be able to see everything clearly, and they don't allow us to use the typewriter to type certain documents.
Gabriel Kwaku expressed worry over quack commissioners of oath preparing documents for people.
Some of us have been appointed by the Supreme Court because our appointment is signed by the Chief Justice as a commissioner for oaths. The Chief Justice signs your appointment. But there are people who are not commissioners for oaths, but they also kind of pilfer, you know, the work of the commissioner for oaths by doing affidavits and declarations, and then they will look for a commissioner for oath, go somewhere, get it stamped and sealed. You know, those are the challenges we have.
Though some people have discarded the use of typewriters because of the arrival of computers, other commissioners of oaths like JK02 said they are still using typewriters due to lack of electricity. Though commissioners of oath who operate around the Tema station in Accra expressed divergent views on the operationalization of typewriters, they all have plans of moving on to the new system of technology in future.
Right, I'm sure that story took all of us to down memory lane.